Hi, welcome back to yet another presentation from Electronics India. In this video tutorial, we'll look into how to use the MyFair RFID card using the NXP RC522 chip. So basically this is the MyFair reader module. So one thing to notice is that the power supply here is 3.3 volt and not 5 volt. So if you are using FreeDino or something with 5 volt, this may damage this module also. Even though the IO pins are also 3.3 volt tolerant, I am still using it with 5 volt Arduino, but the power supply I am using is 3.3 volt VCC. So here you can see the 3.3 volt and ground connected, and here you can see all the other pins connected. So basically this SDA pin is your chip select pin, and then you have SCK, MISO, MOSI, reset and other pins. If you look on our website, the pin description is already mentioned there. So this chip select is the SDA, then you have SCK, MOSI, MISO, and then this is not connected, and then you have ground, reset and 3.3 volt. The Arduino library link is also mentioned here, and you can download from the GitHub repository the code. In the code also, like, all the various connections and pin diagram are explained. I am using the dump info sample, so I'll just open a serial monitor. So I'll just show you an example. So as you can see, it has detected this card with UID this. Now I'll use a key fob, and as you can see, it has detected the key fob also with a different ID. So you can see it can detect both the card and the key fob, which is part of the MyFair reader module accessory. So this was a brief introduction into how to use this MyFair card reader module. I hope you like this video. Please share and subscribe this video. Thanks for watching.